people. Today's video is all about keeping it real and having some fun. I'm about to show you my favorite natural bronze smoky eye tutorial, the one I go back to time and time again. So grab your trusty brushes and get ready to follow along with me. We are going to break it down step by step, no fuzz, no complicated techniques. Before we kick off the fabulous tutorial, I've got a quick reminder for you. Make sure to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and hit that bell icon for all the latest updates and notifications. Alright guys, before I dive into the eye makeup extravaganza, let's prepare those eyelids for some serious action. I'm grabbing my trusty Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Concealer and then I'll gently dab it on my eyelids. This is like creating a smooth, flawless canvas that will make those eyeshadow pop. And to seal the deal, I'll dust a bit of loose powder over it. This will ensure that everything stays locked in place. Now for the natural bronze smoky eyes, I'll be reaching for the amazing Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Smoking Glam. To add an extra spark of magic, I'll also be using the Lakme Absolute Explore Liquid Eyeshadow in the shades Black Star Gold and Carrot Gold. So I'm going to first dip into the dark brown shade with a tapered blending brush and then apply it on the outer edge of the eyes. Remember my friends, blending is the key. So let's take our time and blend really well. Now using a fluffy blending brush, I'll apply this mid-tone brown shade all over my eyelids. Eyes, I'll pat this stunning bronze shimmer shade from the liquid eyeshadow right onto the center of my eyelids. Then with the help of a small tapered fluffy brush, I'll blend the edges for a flawless seamless finish. Special feature of this liquid eyeshadow is the lightweight crease-free formula providing buildable coverage that is incredibly easy to use. Moving on to the lower part of the eyes, I'll sweep the same dark brown shade along the lash line to add depth and definition. For that extra oomph, I'll apply the Lakme Iconic Kajal on the waterline. This fabulous kajal boasts a deep black color that's smudge proof and can last up to an impressive 22 hours. To wrap up this eye look, I'll grab the Lakme Absolute Flutter Sequins Dramatic Eyes Mascara in the shade Night Drama. Now, using the wiggle and swipe technique, I'll apply this mascara. Now this mascara happens to be waterproof and smudge resistant. It also features a curling formula that gives your lashes a voluminous effect. Wait, hold on to your seats because I'm about to put the finishing touches on the rest of my face and reveal the final look. Alright guys, I hope you absolutely loved my natural bronze smoky eye tutorial. It's a total game changer and trust me, it's super easy peasy to recreate. So why not give it a try? Before you go, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. And hey, hit that bell icon so that you never miss out on any of our fabulous beauty updates. Bye!